Are you a busy working parent in Malaysia with a child under 6 years old? Listen up. Nature can be your child's ultimate classroom. Fresh air and healthy development. Nature provides clean, unpolluted air that strengthens their immune system and reduces allergies. Cognitive development. Nature is a treasure trove of learning opportunities. Emotional and social growth. Friendships in the wild. Interacting with others in nature fosters social skills, reduces stress, and promotes emotional well-being. Creativity and imagination. Nature is a canvas for endless creativity. Encourage imaginative play and artistic expression. Environmental awareness. Caring for our planet. Early exposure to nature instills a sense of responsibility to protect the environment. Start their nature journey today. Give them the best start. Follow for more tips and inspiration.